In this video, I'm going to discuss what our users making a mistake in Facebook data scraper. So suppose that I am going to open my Facebook data scraper. Okay, it's a B2B purpose only, and it's not a scrap anything like that. You can see I already scrapped approx 240 data. So that's a mobile number, email, and detail like that. So how you can use it? Okay. So suppose that whatever you are going to search anything like a doctor near me, whatever, nothing like that you have to search. First of all, you have to open your Facebook account. Okay. Then after, you have to search the keyword like that. Suppose I am searching on what Simo. Now there is nothing is there. Okay. Now search advertisement agency. Okay. And I am going to search. So I have to see first of all click on places. So see what's coming here. So I have to search advertisement agency. This is the main keyword. Okay. So now select this keyword advertisement agency. Then make it. Suppose that you have to search in some kind of country. The first of go and type here. Suppose that UK cities. UK city. So I will search whatever. Uh, like that. This one. I have to go into this one and just copy here and come to here and just put it and UK. Then search here and see what's seeing here. Manchester UK. Now going to make oh no. Now this is our perfect keyword. Okay. So just copy this one, come to here, then click and then start. Okay. So I hope so it will help you and now you can see whatever we search we are getting the same result. Okay. So uh, as you can see here everything is coming what we have already searched. Okay. Now it will scrap all the details, page name, whatever mobile number, street, advertisement agency, about page, whatever link, everything you can get. Okay, so this is what I mean. And first of all, always click here. If you click on place scraper, you will get more than 400, 300, 500 data at one keyword. This is a one keyword. Okay, but if you click on the page scrap, then it will show you 100 results only. Okay, so I hope so it will help you. How you can get this tool? You just need to go here and second thing, never ever close this window. You have to go here, window, and first of all make it minimize. Now, if you want to work on another, so that's one, and make it this one and this. But don't close this screen. Okay, so now. Yeah. Now you can search here Chrome Web Store. No, you can get this tool from here also. R2media.in. Then you have to go. That's a menu bar. Then FB Business Extractor. Now you can try the demo if you can. So just click over there and just a simple method you have to follow it. And now after that you have to add this product. Okay, add to Chrome, then start using it. Okay, I have already used it. So this is our new tool and it is all about the 603 users are using this. Okay, thanks. I hope you can understand it. Okay, now it's scrapping like that. You can see how much data I'm getting here. It's continuously getting data. So I hope so it will help you.